Tech advancements, they never really stop. You see it all the time. CPUs get faster each year, GPUs push more pixels, more frames. Storage has been evolving too, quietly, but sometimes it feels slow, like a bottleneck, you know? Think about the demand, the ever-present need for pure speed, loading those massive new games, or editing huge 8K video files. Complex AI models need data, lots of it, and they need it right now. Current SSDs are pretty good, sure, but good isn't always enough for tomorrow. So the tech world is buzzing. There are always whispers, of course, but this time, something new is on the horizon. Something that could properly redefine speed. Not just a small, tiny, incremental update, but a proper generational shift in thinking. This is where it gets really exciting. For tech fans like us, right? This isn't just about saving a few seconds, though that is always a welcome bonus. It's about unlocking entirely new things. New possibilities for everyone, developers and users. Things that were simply too slow before, or just too clunky and frustrating to use. Imagine a digital world with no loading. That's the ultimate dream, isn't it? Alright, so let's talk about Poxiao. It's the name you might start hearing. In the storage world, it's big news. It stands for Persistent Opto-Zionic Array Output. Sounds a bit like a mouthful, I know. But the core idea is genuinely revolutionary. It's a completely new type of non-volatile memory, designed from the ground up for performance. So how is it different, you ask?
Unlike traditional NAND flash memory, Poxiao uses a unique photonic crystal structure. It guides particles of light. Light is incredibly fast. This difference is key. It uses a special chalcogenide glass. This material changes its refractive index almost instantly. Data is encoded in optical changes. Reading is done by sensing light patterns, super quick and super precise.
So, what's the big deal with Poxiao? The promise is incredible speed, and blazing fast read speeds. Write speeds get a massive boost too. Plus, endurance is promising. This isn't just another SSD, it's a potential paradigm shift for how we store and access our data. Alright, let's get into the speeds. Your current NVMe SSD, it feels pretty quick. It uses NAND flash, the current standard. NAND has served us well for years, but it has physical limitations. Electrons face resistance, wear and tear happens over write cycles. It can only be pushed so far. Poxiao is different, it's on another level.
It uses light for data transfer. Read operations are almost instantaneous. Think nanoseconds, not microseconds. Orders of magnitude faster. Games load before you blink, imagine that. And write speeds improve. Write speeds see a massive improvement. NAND writes are complex, erasing blocks, then writing new data. Poxiao changes its optical state directly. It's simpler, faster. Saving huge files is effortless. Installing software is snappy.
Beyond throughput, there's latency. The delay before data flows. Poxiao's latency is incredibly low. And its IOPS through the roof. Huge for complex databases and real-time data processing. Anything needing quick, small data access. So this leads to the big question. Could Poxiao actually kill off traditional flash memory? It's a very bold claim to make. Flash memory is absolutely everywhere right now. It's relatively cheap. It's a mature technology. But tech history is full of giants falling. Think about floppy disks, or even CD-ROMs. Real innovation doesn't wait for anyone.
For high-performance computing, it's a no-brainer. Supercomputers will want this technology yesterday. AI training rigs, massive server farms, financial trading systems where milliseconds matter. These will likely be the very early adopters. The performance benefits are just too massive. Any bottleneck removed is a significant win. Poxiao effectively smashes storage bottlenecks.
What about for us, the everyday users? Initially, Poxiao devices might be premium, a bit like SSDs were when they first launched. But technology prices always tend to come down. Eventually, imagine your next gaming console, or your next ultra-thin, powerful laptop. With Poxiao storage integrated deep inside, instant boot times, seamless fluid multitasking.
Poxiao isn't just a simple improvement. It's a potential revolution in the making. It could fundamentally change how software is designed, how incredibly detailed games are actually made, how we interact with all our devices daily. The future of data storage looks incredibly bright, and most importantly, incredibly fast, thanks to emerging tech like Poxiao.